And to have an Indian name bestowed to you, it's one of the gifts, and you should be proud to use it at any gathering, any place you go to. So it's your name, it was given to you, you have the right to use it at any ceremony, at any tribe, or any presentation you give. So this is how you introduce yourself.
Okay. Did you want to add something, Shelley?
No, just that you have the video recording of us.
Yes.
So you can use this at any presentation to be affirmative to what we're saying.
Yes.
So you're not challenged. We're giving you consent.
And it means a lot to me to have that. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for
Yeah, and it's very respectful to have an Indian name bestowed to somebody like you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I will always remember my time here.